So you want to whiten your teeth? We have an awesome opportunity here at the office. With our Whitening for Life program, we make custom molds of your teeth and we send you home with trays and whitening material so you can whiten as much as you want or as little as you want, depending on how you're feeling. Now, every 6 months, we know that it's very important to visit your dentist to get your cleaning so that we can maintain the best oral health. 6 months comes pretty quickly. So when you come in for your 6-month appointment, we give you the whitening syringes if you need any. Keep on coming to your 6-month appointments and you keep getting your free whitening. So that is how our Whitening for Life program is. You come to your appointments and that's where we refill your whitening so you can maintain that beautiful white smile.